Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Dark Mail, your go-to channel for the freshest unboxings and fashion insights. Today, we've got something super exciting for all the sneakerheads and streetwear lovers out there. We're diving into a pair of fire replica sneakers from the one and only MuleBuy.com. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Before we jump into the shoes, let me tell you a bit about MuleBuy.com. This website is all about premium quality replica sneakers and designer fashion at crazy affordable prices. They've got everything from Nike, Air Jordan, Yeezy, Balenciaga, to Dior and more. If you're into street fashion but don't want to break the bank, this is your plug. MuleBuy constantly updates their collection with the latest drops and timeless classics. You'll always find something dope, whether it's heat from last week or an OG throwback pair. They truly cater to the taste of every sneaker enthusiast. I personally couldn't believe the quality till I got my pair. Alright, now let's talk about the unboxing experience. The packaging was super clean and secure, no crushed boxes or anything messy. Everything arrived in perfect condition, just like you'd expect from a high-end store. That's already a big win in my book. So the sneakers I got today are absolute fire. Shout out to MuleBuy.com for hooking it up. These are replicas, yes, but the craftsmanship is seriously next level. From the stitching to the materials, it's hard to tell the difference from retail pairs. Let's take a closer look. Here's the shoe, just look at that silhouette. Every detail is on point, from the logo placement to the outsole finish. The colors are rich, vibrant, and accurate to the original design. Honestly, these kicks are a head-turner. Let's talk pricing for a second. These sneakers cost a fraction of what you'd pay for the real thing. You're literally saving hundreds of dollars and still looking fresh. It's a smart buy for anyone who loves the look but not the price tag. Whether you're in the US, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, you can get your kicks. The shipping was quick and hassle-free in my case. They even provided tracking so I knew exactly when my package was arriving. No stress, no surprises, just smooth service. I've already added a couple more pairs to my wishlist from MuleBuy. They've got chunky designer sneakers, sleek runners, and classic retro styles. There's literally something for everyone on the site. Plus, their search filters make it super easy to find what you want. And it's not just sneakers, they've got streetwear and designer clothes too. Hoodies, tees, jackets, you name it, it's all there. Rep your style from head to toe without killing your wallet. The quality and variety are insane. Every sneakerhead should give MuleBuy a shot at least once. Whether you're copying your first replica or adding to your collection, they deliver. They've earned their spot as a go-to in the replica game. And I'm here to show you why. You'll find the link to MuleBuy.com right in the video description. Their social media accounts are also down there. Check them out for updates. You'll also see their WhatsApp contact number for direct orders and questions. Everything you need is just one click away. Check out their bestsellers section, it's packed with fan favorites. Or hit up customer service, they'll guide you with recommendations. They're super helpful and know their stuff.